Unknown drone incursions endanger warfighters, disrupt airports, and threaten critical infrastructure. Teledyne FLIR Defense counters with layered C-UAS solutions to detect, locate, identify, track, and enable defeat of aerial threats. At the core are proven globally deployed systems. Radars deliver long-range precision detection with low false alarms. EO/IR sensors provide superior long-range imaging in all conditions. C2 software blends inputs into a unified operating picture. Together, they form a scalable, interoperable foundation for counter-drone operations. Every threat follows a chain. When mitigation is required, our system can integrate with a wide range of third-party providers, whether RF or kinetic takedown, with optional autonomy, whatever the mission calls for. Threat detected, target acquired, neutralized. Different missions demand different platforms. LVSS secures mobile perimeters. Cerberus XL dominates dense, high-threat environments. Argus XL provides persistent overwatch for fixed installations. Star Sapphire 380X provides advanced capabilities critical for airborne counter-UAS missions. This is layered defense. This is adaptive protection for a cohesive C-UAS strategy. Mission success starts here.